Hello everyone, it's me Sannutha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about three things. First thing is what is journal or journaling, and the next I'll be telling you the difference between journal and a diary, and also I'll be talking about 5 different types of journal ideas in today's video. So without any further ado, let's begin. So, what is a journal? Journal is a written record of your thoughts and feelings, which also includes your experiences and events. It is considered one of the best way to track your everyday life. Journaling is a means to keep a record or a log of your day-to-day activities, and it is also one of the most personal way to completely express yourself. So, what is the difference between a journal and a diary? Even though most of us have a confusion and feel that they both are the same, no, they are not the same and they have quite a little differences between them. So, the first difference between a journal and a diary is that a diary is a book where we record things as they happen and we write down some specific things that happen on a particular day. Whereas a journal is a book where we write down only significant experiences and which can be used for a variety of purposes. And the second difference between a journal and a diary is that a diary is used to write down things like your moods, feelings and emotions, whereas journal has a variety of purposes. It can be used to write down a lot of things like random thoughts, ideas, song lyrics and your doodles, your sketches and a lot of things. Though journals are used for a variety of purposes, it is mainly used for exploring ideas. And the third difference between a journal and a diary is based on its structure. Yes, diary is usually structured when you buy it because it comes in a variety of ways like per day a page or 2 days per page or a week per page. We can see a variety of ways in which we get a diary. Whereas a journal is the one which is unstructured when you buy it and you can later add on structure to it according to the way you are going to use it. However, nowadays we also get some structured bullet journals. Now let's talk about 5 different types of journals. So the first type of journal idea is a bullet journal. Hope most of you know what a bullet journal is. If you don't know what a bullet journal is, it is a method of personal organization developed by a designer named Ryder Carroll. This journal mainly includes things like reminders, to-do lists and a lot more. Journal entries are usually tagged with bullet points, dashes and many other things. The second type of journal idea is a cooking or food journal. In this journal, we usually write down things like recipes and the new recipes you have to try, and also apart from recipes and things, we can also write down things like what you eat in a day and your diet plans and things like that, because having a food or a cooking journal actually helps a lot for weight maintenance. And the third type of journal idea is a travel journal. In this journal, you can include things like places you visit and the experience you have had there. Apart from that, you can also include pictures and sketches from your trip. And also, you can also add your packing lists in your travel journal because packing is also something related to traveling. And the next type of journal idea is an exercise or a workout journal. This mainly includes things like the exercises you do and the effect it has on your body and also the changes you can make in your workout routines. You can also write down things like exercise you want to try or sports you want to try, and also write down the equipments you want to buy. And the last type of journal idea is an idea journal. This journal is basically used to free the space in your brain and also write down the ideas when you get them. Because ideas are something which cannot be found always and it's really difficult to remember them always. So it's better if you write them down when you remember them. So that's it for today's video guys. Hope you liked this. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below and click on the little bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you.